deflection. The referee's way play on this time. Here's Cantona. Is this to be the moment? Prunier dives in front of him. Cantona's round Almeida. There it is.
Not exactly the biggest surprise of the night, Alistair. But it's been worth waiting for. Up to now, Almeida's stolen the show. Old Trafford is busting at the seams now. They've seen what they wanted to see all night. Eric Cantona back at Old Trafford, doing what he did for a number of years, scoring goals.
I've just worked out what the script said. We'll wait till the 7th goal is about to be scored, and the Magnificent Seven will score the Magnificent Seven. And here it is. Past his brother, past Prunier, past young Wilson, past Almeida.